Hello and welcome to Cataylze Music Academy. My name is Zaak Kerstetter, and for today's quick tip, I want to talk about a topic that is very near and dear to my heart, which is arrangement. We can spend a lot of time talking about this, but I want to boil it down into two very quick and easy techniques that you can utilize to get better arrangements faster. The first of which is going to be get organized about your arrangement. And to do this, you're going to need to use locators. So locators can be added to Live by right-clicking in this area and hitting Add Locator. Then you can name it whatever you want, and then once you've added a locator, you can move it left or right, or you can delete it. So these locators themselves don't actually do anything to your song, but what they do allow you to do is have a much better visual depiction about what's happening in your arrangement. So when you're making decisions about how long a section should be or how one section should flow into the next, you can actually see the relationship between all these different parts, whether we're talking about verses and choruses or builds and drops or intros and outros, however you want to think about the different parts of your arrangement. So once you've done that, once you've kind of built out a little bit of arrangement, you've added your locators, you're keeping organized about what's going on, you might want to start making decisions about how long or short a certain section is. So for example, here I have this A1 section here. It's like the first part of my drop. This right now is 8 bars long. Say I want to double this up, say I want this to be 16 bars. I can just hit Shift Command D or Shift Control D for duplicate time. This is going to allow me to take what was an 8-bar section and turn it into 16 bars, which is really, really handy. And it's going to take everything that was behind it and move it farther backwards, so it doesn't delete anything. On the flip side of that, if I have a 16-bar section that I think is too long, I don't think it deserves to be 16 bars, I can select the area that I want to delete on any one track, it doesn't matter which track, and hit Shift Command Delete or Shift Control Delete, and that will delete that time. So we have duplicate time and we have delete time for being able to make a section shorter or longer very, very quickly without messing up the rest of my arrangement. On top of that, we also have cut time as well as paste time. There is no copy time. There's no special key command. It's just regular Command C for copy time. So if I want to select this area, this time I do need to select all of my clips, hit Command C to copy, and say I want to insert this section right over in this area here. I can hit Shift Command V for paste time, and that will paste that right in there, again, without deleting or overriding any part of my arrangement. Between using these different key commands, as well as using locators, you can build something that was just a small start or a small sketch of an arrangement and build it out into a fully thought out, realized track. So that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed watching that. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be releasing a bunch of these quick tip videos, as well as a bunch of more kind of long form tips and tricks videos as well. Again, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you soon.